Today you can see I have been a farmer in order to teach you English. You think English is only for the people who are educated, who are meritorious, sagacious. Not really. It's a language. Everyone should learn spoken English. It has been dominant. People around the world are looking forward to learning English. Why? Because it's an international language. If we don't know how to communicate, how will we survive? English is the ticket to communicate, to be connected with the world. From the coriander leaf. Wow, authentic, fresh smell. As you can see in my hand, coriander leaf, right? Dhone pata. Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. At first, take my heartiest felicitation from the core of my heart. This is Mehdi. Today I have been a farmer. I used to cultivate in my native village. Yes, I'm a farmer. My brother is a farmer. I'm a farmer, right? A farmer is the best person in Bangladesh. If they didn't cultivate, how would we eat? They are cultivating, that's why we are eating. Credit, first of all, goes to them, man. A farmer is the best. And then teacher, then other professions. What's your profession? Teaching English is my bread and butter. Apart from that, I'm an English content creator. As a result, I am here at Kishorganj in order to make English videos practically. I love teaching English practically so that you can learn English at the same time you can enjoy watching the beauty of nature. By the way, I'm gonna explore something. Here you can see a coriander leaf garden, right? Beautiful field where my friend Jubair has cultivated different kind of planted coriander, and then spinach, data shak, or you can say red spinach, lal shak. At the same time, sweet pumpkin. There is sweet pumpkin. Here you can see radish. Ibrahim, radish, mula. Wow, mini, very. No, I'm not collecting, just showing. Mini, right? Okay. All right, this is radish. It's absolutely fresh and authentic. We should eat in order to keep fit. We are used to eating only chicken and meat, but we are not fond of eating vegetables and spinach. সজনা, সাজনা গাছ, you can see. আপনারা কি জানেন সাজনা ইংলিশটা কি? সাজনা ইংলিশটা কি? কমেন্টে জানিয়ে দিন সাজনা ইংলিশটা কি। একটু কুইজ রাখি, শুধু আমি সব শিখিয়ে দিব।